In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a freelance dashboard in Notion. We'll start by creating a central command center you can rely on every day. Open your Notion workspace and add a new page. Name it Freelance Dashboard so it's easy to find later. Think of this page as the top-level view of your business, a place where projects, clients, money, content, and daily work all live in one clean, focused layout. Next, set up clear sections to keep everything organized. Create headings for projects, clients, invoices, content planning, and daily tasks. Projects is where you'll manage active work and delivery timelines. Clients holds contact details and quick context. Invoices helps you stay on top of what's sent, paid, and pending. Content planning is for marketing, social posts, or portfolio updates. And daily tasks is your quick, at-a-glance list for what needs to happen today. Under each section, add linked databases to track the details. Use the / command and choose Create Linked Database. Then select the database you want to display. For projects, include properties like status, due date, and client. For clients, keep fields for company, point of contact, and notes. For invoices, add amount, invoice date, due date, and payment status. Linked databases let you manage data in one place while viewing it wherever it's most useful. Now, make the information visual with calendar or board views. In your project's database, add a calendar view to see deadlines mapped across the month. Switch to a board view grouped by status for a simple pipeline. Not started, in progress, and delivered. For content planning, a calendar highlights publishing dates, while a board grouped by channel or type helps you balance workload. Use simple sorts, like due date ascending, so the most urgent items rise to the top. Add quick links for faster access. Create a small quick links area on the page and paste links to contracts, brand resources, or meeting notes. You can link to Notion pages or external files. Label each link clearly so you can jump in and out without hunting. Customize the layout so it feels natural to use. Drag blocks side by side to form columns, perhaps projects and daily tasks on the left, with clients and invoices on the right. Use headings to define each section and call-out boxes to highlight reminders, policies, or key resources you reference often. Finally, update the dashboard regularly. Do a short daily check-in to adjust tasks, mark progress, and log payments. Keep it current, and it becomes a reliable hub for your entire freelance workflow.